Good morning or afternoon, or for me, it's my bedtime. And instead of being in bed, I decided I would give you a little message before you start your test because I care more about you being successful than me getting my beauty rest. We all know that I need beauty rest. But that's the price you pay to be a teacher. Who cares? So what I would like to do now is give you a few hints like I normally do on your test. So everybody should be looking at your test, okay? And I'm going to give you a few hints that might help you as you go along, okay? So everybody look at number 1. It's on the front page. Find it? Okay. This one is really, really easy. I think we should all get it correct. My best advice on this is I hope that you will mark checks on the graphs that are showing things the right way, and I hope you put an X on where they've made their mistake. Okay? That's my best advice for number 1. Not much information I can tell you on that one except just to pay attention. All right, number 2, I think it was pretty easy too. Oh my goodness. Brenda, that would be me. I'll be watching you while you do number 2. Okay. Is there anything I want to tell you? All I can tell you again is put check marks. If they put the dot in the right place, give it a little check mark. If you find one that's in the wrong place, put an X on it and eliminate that as a choice. Okay? All right, let's go to number 3. Nasty number 3. Number 3 is the one that we just went over in the video. This one is over dog training classes. Okay, how many dog training classes were attended by 3 times as many people as those who attended only 1 class? I hope the video helped you and that you are able to work through this one a little better. The thing I would make sure of is you've got to realize those dots are people. And is that what the question is asking for? Is it asking for people? Read right there. How many what? I think it's going to want a number from here. So when you go to get your answer, make sure you're picking one of these numbers. Okay? That's my best advice. That's your little hint. I'm giving you more than I should. All right, number 4. This one is real similar to this actually. Okay? They're giving you information. Make sure that you are answering what it's asking for, okay? Do you see how it's wanting students? It wants students. So that means that your answer is going to come from here. You're not going to pick something from over here because that's pencils. So when you go to get your answer, make sure you're drawing a line and you're going down and you're picking one of these as your answer, okay? I am too generous with the information I give you. I know. Okay, number 5. This one is real easy. Running, jumping. That's all you've got to do. Did they run and jump to the right numbers? Okay. Make sure that your X and your Y's are all labeled correctly and that they ran and jumped the right way. Okay. That one will be pretty easy. I think we'll do really good on that one. Okay, number 6. Please, please, please. I hope you paid attention to the video. Remember, it was Jill and her water that we had to record. This one is Selma. Oh, and she's also recording water that she drank. So it's got some information there. It's got some information there. Wow, that looks really familiar. It's got some numbers here. Then it looks like you've got a fraction. Oh my goodness, this is so similar. So similar. I hope you were with me during the video and I hope it sank in because I see something here and I see a word here that should help you. Okay? All right, let's look at number 7. Number 7, it's not hard, but look how much work. Ugh, it looks nasty, doesn't it? Take your time. Don't go too fast. Slow down. Make sure you're counting each number and you're making sure it shows up that many times. I believe this is the one where people went way too fast during the study guide. Just slow down. Slow down and you'll be fine. This one's easy. Okay? Number 8. Number 8 was pretty easy too. Try each answer choice and find the one that works. Okay? It's running and jumping and then finding what works. Okay? Actually, I just lied to you. It's not finding what works. It's finding what doesn't work. One of these is wrong. Okay? Big clue. All right, number 9. Number 9 is just like number 7, except this time they give you the numbers like this. Okay? Start with 2. Count how many 2s you have and then see if they have them marked correctly. Okay? I think people that will miss number 9, it will be because they did not count correctly and mark off as they go. Like when you finish the 2s, mark them off so that you make sure you count them all. It would be real easy because look how many there are. It would be real easy on this one to overlook and pick the wrong graph because you didn't count these right. Okay, so be careful about that. And the last one, number 10. Ooh, I don't know if you remember number 10. It had a trick on it. Do you remember? It actually looked like on the study guide that there were 2 correct graphs because the dots were all in the correct places on 2 of the graphs. You had to pay attention to the labels. You had to pay attention to the labels. Goodness, I'm so generous. So generous. Okay. Take your time. Don't go too fast. It's only 10 questions, so you can only miss 3 and pass. And remember, on tests, you don't get a second chance. You can't correct this. So do your best the very first time. Okay? And I will be back with you tomorrow. I know you miss me so much, so you know I have to make these videos so that you at least get to see my bright and shiny face and hear my lovely voice. I didn't want you to miss me, okay? Be on your best behavior for the sub. Do what's right. And I look forward to reading good things about you. And we will see you tomorrow. It's Friday tomorrow. All right. See you later.